Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group would like to share the presentation about MAT402 Business Math under topic Annuity. So, before we go through the presentation, I would like to introduce our team member. So, first we have Nur Alisa Alia, and second we have Nur Fadrin Afika, which is me, and lastly we have Nurul Yasmin. So, the presentation will begin with the first slide, which is Introduction of Annuity. Annuity is a series of payment, deposit, withdrawal of times. Annuity also often used in the content of the investment, loans, and retirement plans. For the second slide is about the features of annuity. Annuity have three types. First, we have ordinary annuity, which interest and payment period are the same and the payment are made at the end of the period. Secondly is foregone annuity, which earn interest after the last deposit is made. And lastly is other annuity, which is it include due, general annuity, and perpetuity. So for the next slide, I will pass to the Nurul Yasmin.
So in this topic, there is two formulas that we can use to find the future value and to find the present value. The first one is ordinary annuity, and the second one is the present value of an annuity. Firstly, I am going to introduce all the short forms for the formulas, which is R is the periodic payment, I is the periodic interest rate, N for investment period, S future value of annuity after interest period, and A for present value of annuity after interest period. So there is two ways on how to find the interest, which is under ordinary annuity. We are going to use future value minus amount that we earn. And next, for the present value of an annuity, and for the interest, and how we are going to find interest and the present value of an annuity, which is amount given minus the present value.
For the next slide, I'm going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of annuity. The first advantages is steady payments for budgeting. An annuity provides regular payments, ensuring you can plan your car purchase within a predictable budget. The second advantages is no need for a lump sum. You don't need to deplete your savings or other investments. The annuity covers the payments over time. Next is disadvantages of annuity. For the first disadvantages is limited flexibility. Annuity payments are fixed and scheduled, which might not align with the immediate payments demands of a car purchase. The second disadvantages is long-term commitment. Committing annuity payments for a car could limit their availability for other needs or emergency.
So this is the example question under the topic of annuity. So Fadlin wants to buy a car after she graduated. She have borrowed a certain amount of money from RHB Islamic Bank with interest at 4% compounded monthly. Fadlin need to pay back 777 ringgit 50 cents every month for 6.6 and a half years as the settlement loan. So question number 1, how much was the loan? And the second question is calculate the amount that Fadlin need to pay.
So for the next slide, I'm going to explain question number 1, which is how much the total loan. So we need to calculate the total amount that Fadlin took to buy a car. So we have to use the annuity formula, which is present value. So the step 1, we have to understand the given value from the question. After that, the step 2 is substitute the values into the formula, which is the monthly rate by divide 0.04 and 12 months. Why we have to divide 12 months? Because the loans payments are made monthly. Next, calculate N, which is the total number of monthly payments by multiply 12 and 6.5 years. Now substitute everything into the formula. For the last step is step 3, which is perform the calculation step by step. After solving all the calculation, we get the total amount that Fadlin borrow, which is 53,324 and 44 cents ringgit Malaysia. And for the question 2, I'm going to pass to Nurul Yasmin.
So for question number 2 is calculate the amount that Fadlin need to pay. So I am going to use the present value of an annuity formula. So the formula that I am going to use is NR minus VA, which is 777 ringgit 50 cents, multiplied by 12 and multiplied by 6.5. The 777 ringgit 50 cents is the amount that Fadli need to pay every month, and the 12 was about the and 12 is the by 12 months, and 6.5 is by the years. And we will minus it with 53,324 ringgit and 44 cents that we got the answer from the question number 1. So the total sum up is 7,320 ringgit and 56 cents, and that is the total of amount that Fadli need to pay.